Sikandar, I want to ask you this.
Yes.
2020, COVID happens.
Yes.
Then 2021, 22, around the second phase, there is also news that breaks closer home.
Yeah.
About your mom's illness.
Yeah.
What happened there?
That was 2020 only, actually.
2020, yeah.
It was the end of 2020. In fact, I was shooting for this movie called Monkey Man, which I did. We were shooting in Batam, which is a small island in Indonesia, because that was a place where we could create a bubble. It was a tough shoot in general because there was a lot of action, and I was there for 4 months, and there's, you know, everything is in a bubble, so you're very disconnected from the rest of the world. And then I think life plays their cards the way it does. And then you get to know, I mean, what do you do at that point? You know, I think she's very strong that way. We were always there and are there for her throughout. And yeah, I mean, see, at the end of the day, life goes on, work goes on, and but there's nothing much you can really do, right? What the cards that are dealt, you have to play them.
You once scared little bit also कि मेरी माँ को इतनी भयंकर बीमारी हो गई है.
अरे मैं तो बीमारी के लिए डर रहा था माँ.
हाँ?
मैं तो बीमारी के लिए डर रहा था. How can it mess with you? It can't mess with you. I'm like गलत जगह आगे boss तुम. No, she's. Why do you want to ask these questions? If I mean, you're my mother.
I've never seen you being emotional about it ever.
There's nothing.
I wanted you to be a little bit. You were not.
Those conversations were between me and Dad when I was in Batam. Now if sub
I didn't know that.
Oh, what do you mean you didn't know that? We're your family,
no, but
mom.
because your
I love it over here. We're having this conversation.
Anupam used to look बड़ा सा घबराया हुआ when he used to come into my hospital room, but Sikandar तो was cool.
No, see, the thing is, you have to be strong. If you're going to be around somebody saying, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, it's going to kill all your, you know, all the good energy around you.
Yeah, the belief
at the end of the day. I mean, for a small example, like I booked my flight today for 12 p.m., 12:30, and for 3 days, mom's like, अगर delay हो जाएगा, delay हो जाएगा, delay हो जाएगा, delay हो जाएगा, delay हो जाएगा. I'm like, कितना delay होगा? और delay हो गया, काफी delay हो गया. So the amount of energy you put on saying delay हो जाएगा और delay हो गया, if we start getting stressed.
And then you went delay हो गया, तुम phone करके मेरे से लड़ाई कर रहे थे.
हाँ, तो I mean if you
उल्टा चोर कोतवाल को डांटे, you know.
No, I mean there's no need to. Nobody's feeling good about it, to be very honest. Unfortunately, the situation and what happened is one of the worst things that happens in the world around everywhere.